Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Profit Product Pro. Today video topic is spray or pour. This 2-in-1 olive oil dispenser does both. Alibaba verified. Let's start. Product 01 2-in-1 oil dispenser. Product details. Tired of pouring too much oil when cooking? Check out this smart 2-in-1 silicone dropper oil sprayer and measuring glass dispenser. It combines controlled oil dispensing with a convenient silicone brush, making it easy to spread a light, even coating over meats, vegetables, bread, pans, and grills. It's especially useful for air fryers, baking, BBQ, roasting, and everyday cooking. The glass container provides a practical way to keep your cooking oil ready to use, while the compact design helps make food preparation simpler and less messy. Want to check it out? Find the product link in the description below. Product 02 2-in-1 oil bottle dispenser and sprayer. Product details. Tired of pouring too much oil when you are cooking? This 2-in-1 oil bottle dispenser and sprayer could be a smart upgrade for your kitchen. With a 550 ml glass bottle, you can conveniently dispense or spray cooking oil depending on what your recipe needs. It's great for coating pans, preparing salads, roasting vegetables, grilling, baking, or even using with your air fryer. The air-pressed spray design helps distribute oil more evenly while giving you better control over each application. If you're looking for a simple and practical kitchen gadget, this one is definitely worth checking out. Find the product link in the description below. Product 03 2-in-1 olive oil mist spray bottle. Product details. Looking for an easier way to control oil while cooking? Meet this 200 ml 2-in-1 olive oil mist spray bottle, a compact kitchen gadget made for everyday cooking. Its spray design helps distribute oil more evenly, making it useful for air frying, baking, grilling, BBQs, salads, and roasting. The portable size also makes it convenient for outdoor cooking, picnics, and camping. If you want a simple way to apply oil without reaching for a bulky bottle every time, this could be a handy addition to your kitchen. Check the product link in the description to learn more. Product 04 2-in-1 glass oil and vinegar dispenser bottle. Product details. Looking for a smarter way to organize your kitchen oils and vinegars? This 2-in-1 glass oil and vinegar dispenser combines two liquids in one sleek, space-saving design. Made with high borosilicate glass and designed with a leak-resistant structure, it can help make everyday pouring cleaner and more convenient. Use it for cooking oil, vinegar, salad dressings, sauces, and more. Its modern look makes it perfect for everyday kitchens or dining tables, while customization options can make it attractive for brands and businesses. If you want to check out this clever kitchen accessory, the product link is in the description below. Product 05 sleek stainless steel oil and vinegar dispenser. Product details. Tired of messy oil bottles and uneven pouring while cooking? This sleek stainless steel olive oil dispenser could be a simple upgrade for your kitchen. Designed for convenient and controlled pouring, it can be used with olive oil, cooking oil, vinegar, and other liquid seasonings. Its compact design keeps your countertop looking clean and organized while making everyday cooking and meal preparation more convenient. Whether you're dressing a salad, seasoning your favorite dish, or cooking dinner, this stylish dispenser is a practical kitchen accessory worth checking out. Want to take a closer look? The product link is in the description below. Product 06 large capacity embossed crystal juice jar. Product details. Looking for a stylish way to serve refreshing drinks at home or at your next gathering? This embossed crystal style juice jar combines an elegant look with convenient beverage dispensing. Its large capacity transparent design makes it easy to see your drink level, while the built-in faucet lets guests serve themselves with ease. Perfect for cold water, lemonade, iced tea, juice, fruit punch, and more. It's a great addition to kitchens, parties, BBQs, and family gatherings. Want to check the product and wholesale details? The Alibaba product link is in the description below. Product 07. Imported stainless steel household manual pepper grinder. Product details. Tired of using pre-ground pepper that loses its fresh flavor? Meet this imported stainless steel manual pepper grinder, a simple kitchen tool designed to give you freshly ground seasoning whenever you need it. Its durable stainless steel design looks great in modern kitchens, while the manual grinding system means you don't need batteries or electricity. Just add your pepper, grind, and season your favorite meals from steaks and salads to pasta, soups, and vegetables. It's compact, convenient, and perfect for everyday cooking. Want to check it out? The product link is in the description below. Product 08. High quality 600 ml oil dispenser. Product details. Tired of messy oil bottles cluttering your kitchen counter? Meet this 600 ml 304 stainless steel oil dispenser, a simple and stylish kitchen upgrade for everyday cooking. Its durable stainless steel design makes it perfect for dispensing olive oil, cooking oil, vinegar, and other liquid condiments. The generous capacity means fewer refills, while the convenient pouring design helps make cooking and serving easier. Whether you're preparing dinner, dressing a salad, or adding a finishing touch to your favorite dish, this dispenser keeps your kitchen looking clean and organized. Check out the product link in the description and see if it's right for your kitchen. Product 09. Smart Kitchen Oil Dispenser. Product details. Want a cleaner and more precise way to pour cooking oil? This smart oil dispenser could be a useful upgrade for your kitchen. Its convenient measurement design helps you control how much oil or vinegar you use, while the gravity dispensing system makes pouring quick and easy. Use it for olive oil, cooking oil, vinegar, and other liquid seasonings. Whether you're cooking dinner or preparing a fresh salad, this handy kitchen gadget can make everyday pouring simpler. Check the product link in the description to learn more. Product 10. HX Glass 8L Glass Jar Beverage Dispenser. Product details. Looking for a stylish way to serve drinks at home or in your business? Meet the HX Glass 8-liter glass beverage dispenser, a practical solution for serving water, juice, iced tea, beer, and more. Its large capacity makes it perfect for family gatherings, parties, buffets, restaurants, cafes, and catering events. The clear glass design also gives your beverages an attractive presentation while making it easy to see what's inside. If you're looking for a convenient and elegant drink serving upgrade, this could be worth checking out. Find the product link in the description below. Product 11. Modern Kitchen Storage Jar and Cereal Dispenser. Product details. Tired of messy cereal boxes and cluttered kitchen counters? This modern kitchen cereal dispenser could be a simple upgrade for your daily routine. Its convenient design lets you store and dispense cereal, grains, snacks, and other dry foods while helping keep your kitchen organized. The clean, modern look also makes it a great addition to a stylish pantry or breakfast station. If you're looking for a practical way to improve your kitchen storage, this could be worth checking out. Find the product link in the description and take a closer look. Product 12. Chefshare LFGB Certified 70 ml Olive Oil Spray Bottle. Product details. Looking for a smarter way to use cooking oil? Meet the Chefshare 70 ml Olive Oil Spray Bottle, a compact kitchen gadget designed to help you apply oil with better control. With a durable glass bottle, 304 stainless steel components, and a convenient fine spray design, it's great for cooking, baking, grilling, roasting, salads, and even air frying. Instead of pouring too much oil, simply spray where you need it for a more even application. If you're upgrading your kitchen with simple, practical gadgets, this one could be worth checking out. Find the product link in the description and check it out on Alibaba today. Product 13. Smart and convenient 240 ml glass oil spray bottle. Product details. Upgrade your kitchen with this smart and convenient 240 ml glass oil spray bottle, designed to make everyday cooking cleaner, easier, and more precise. Featuring a gravity sensing dispensing design, this modern oil jar helps you control the amount of olive oil, cooking oil, vinegar, or other liquid seasonings you use. The glass body gives it a sleek, premium look while making it a practical addition to modern kitchens. Its multifunction design combines convenient oil storage and controlled dispensing in one compact container. Whether you're drizzling oil over a salad, seasoning food, preparing a stir fry, or cooking at the stove top, this kitchen gadget can help reduce unnecessary pouring and messy spills. Find the product link in the description and check it out on Alibaba today. Product 14. Borosilicate Oil Dispenser Bottle. Product details. Looking for a cleaner and more convenient way to pour cooking oil?
This borosilicate oil dispenser bottle is designed to make everyday kitchen tasks easier. Its practical drip-free spout helps control pouring while reducing messy drips on your countertop. Use it for cooking oil, vinegar, sauces, salad dressings, and other liquid ingredients. The sleek glass design also looks great on modern kitchen counters. If you're upgrading your kitchen organization, this could be a simple gadget worth checking out. Find the product link in the description and see the details on Alibaba. Product 15. High-end borosilicate glass wine jug. Product details. Looking for a stylish way to serve and store your favorite wine? Meet this high-end thickened borosilicate glass wine jug with a convenient spout. Its elegant transparent design gives your table a premium look, while the practical spout makes pouring easy and smooth. The seal design is also great for keeping your beverage protected when it's not being served. Perfect for dinners, parties, family gatherings, or everyday home use, this wine jug combines style, convenience, and functionality in one beautiful design. Want to check it out? Find the product link in the description below. Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed discovering this smart 2-in-1 olive oil sprayer and dispenser. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more innovative kitchen gadgets and Alibaba finds.